If you take two signals, first one is linearity property. If you take two signals, if condition, if x1 of n is there, its DTFT is represented as x1 of e power j omega, and second signal x2 of n, its DTFT is represented as x2 of e power j omega. Then condition, if you have a into x1 of n, b into x2 of n, then its DTFT will be a into x1 of e power j omega plus b into x2 of e power j omega. So this is the linearity property. If you have time shifting, so time shifting property. So signal x of n, if you take x of n signal, if condition, x of n signal, its DTFT is x of e power j omega. Then condition, if you have a small delay n minus n naught, that delay will come on the other side, e power minus j omega n naught, and then x of e power j omega as it is. If the delay is positive n plus n naught, then here we will have e power plus j omega n naught x of e power j omega. If condition same, then condition you have two chances. If condition is same, then condition you have two chances. Okay. The third property is time reversal property. Third one is time reversal property. And here, if x of n is present, its DTFT is x of e power j omega. Then condition, if you have x of minus n, here also omega will become minus. X of, wherever omega is there, only that thing will get negative sign. And here the representation is x of e power minus j omega. X of e power minus j omega. So we have one more property called conjugate property. So fourth one, I will take conjugate property. Conjugate property. If x of n is present, its DTFT is x of e power j omega. Then condition, x conjugate is present, its DTFT will be, you have to take conjugate as well as e power minus j omega for the DTFT representation. Next one, I am going with convolution property. If you have two signals, again I will take two signals. If condition, x1 of n is present, its DTFT is x1 of e power j omega, and x2 of n, another signal is there, its DTFT is x2 of e power j omega. This is if condition. Then condition, if you have convolution in time domain, in frequency domain, it is just multiplication. In any transform, this holds good. All these are properties about DTFT. All these are properties in DTFT. Now I will go with a few problems, very few problems in based on the properties. I will go with very few problems. Find DTFT of del of n minus 3. They may also give find Fourier transform of del of n minus 3. Okay, Fourier transform of discrete signal. So simply if Fourier transform is mentioned, you should be able to understand what is the signal and what Fourier transform they are asking. Okay, coming to the solution, if we have del of n, it is 1. If we have del of n minus 3, it is shifting property. This 1 will come. Along with that, e power minus j omega 3 will come. If you have del of n minus k, in the place of 3, if I take k, 1 into e power minus j omega k. If I have n plus k, that 1 is there. Along with 1, we will have e power j omega k. 1 need not be represented, no? So you can write it as e power minus 3j omega, something like this. Okay, so these are about the properties and some problems in DTFT. Similarly, for other signals also, you can consider whatever the problems based on the properties. Where the system analysis, same story. System analysis. So we will have a system. This is discrete time. So x of n will be the input and y of n will be the output. H of n will be the system behavior. DTFT means x of e power j omega, y of e power j omega, and h of e power j omega. We will get output by making convolution of input and impulse response. System behavior, other name is impulse response. And in frequency domain, it is direct multiplication. Convolution in time domain is nothing but multiplication in frequency domain. From this, if you make h of e power j omega as subject, we will have y of e power j omega divided by x of e power j omega. This is called transfer function. H is called transfer function or system function or frequency response. These are the other name for h of e power j omega. These are the other names. This is the story about system analysis everywhere. Now I am going to, in all the transforms, I have given this diagram. You can just understand, don't by heart. We will go with a problem. Find frequency response. Find the frequency response of a system described by difference equation y of n equal to 5 times x of n minus 1 plus 3 times x of n. Okay, this is the system. Input and output are related by this equation. So system is available and the input and output of the system is related by this equation. X of n and y of n are related by the equation. We are supposed to find frequency response. Okay, let this be equation number 1, which describes the system. We will apply DTFT. For equation 1. Y of n will become y of e power j omega 5 into, this is time shifting property, e power minus j omega into x of e power j omega plus 3 into x of e power j omega. Group similar terms together. X of e power j omega, if you take separate, 5 into e power minus j omega plus 3 and y of e power j omega. If you make the fraction y of e power j omega by x of e power j omega, it is nothing but 5 into e power minus j omega plus 3. This is the transfer function. Okay, because this is nothing but h of e power j omega. This is the transfer function or system function. This is the final answer. 3 plus 5 into e power minus j omega. Okay, other name is frequency response or system function. Okay, all are one and the same. One last problem in DTFT. With this, I will close DTFT. Find the transfer function of a system represented by y of n equal to b into y of n minus 1 plus 2 times x of n. Okay, so find the transfer function for the system. We have a system and the system input is x of n, output is y of n. Input and output are related by this equation. I will take the given equation as number 1. Now apply DTFT to equation 1. So y of n will become y of e power j omega b into time shifting property e power minus j omega into y of e power j omega plus 2 times x of e power j omega. 2 times x of e power j omega. If you take y of e power j omega, then it is 1 minus b into, I am making all y together, all y terms on one side, all x terms I am taking on other side, and then if you make the fraction y of e power j omega by x of e power j omega, it becomes 2 by 1 minus b into e power minus j omega. This is nothing but h of e power j omega. This is otherwise called as transfer function, system function, or frequency response. The answer is 2 by 1 minus b into e power minus j omega. Okay, system function or frequency response. These are the other names for h of e power j omega. Okay, so these things are very, very important. The DTFT, system analysis,